Deor's Lament, translated by Michael R. Burch. Wayland endured the agony of exile, an indomitable fist racked by grief. He suffered countless sorrows, indeed, such sorrows were his bosom companions. In that frozen island dungeon where Neatherd fettered him, so many strong but supple sinew bands binding the better man. That passed away, this also may. But he'll moan her brother's deaths, bemoaning also her own sad state. Once she discovered herself a child, she knew nothing good could ever come of it. That passed away, this also may. We've heard the years moan for Mathilda, his lovely lady, vast, limitless, that his sorrowful love for her robbed him of regretless sleep. That passed away, this also may. For 30 winters Theodoric ruled the Meiringaborg stronghold with an iron hand. Many acknowledged his mastery and moaned. That passed away, this also may. We have heard too of Romanric's wolfish ways, of how cruelly ruled the gods' realms. That was a grim king. Many a warrior sat, full of cares and maladies of the mind, wishing constantly that his crown might be overthrown. That passed away, this also may. If man sits long enough, sorrowful and anxious, bereft of joy, his mind constantly darkening, soon it seems to him that his troubles are limitless. He must consider that the wise Lord often moves through the earth, granting some men honor, glory, and fame, but others only shame and hardship. This I can say for myself, that for a while I was the Herodingnan's ship, dear to my lord. My name was Deor. For many winters I had held a fine office, faithfully serving a just king, but now your vendor, a man skillful in songs, has received the estate the protector of warriors had promised me. That passed away, this also may. Pasta Freyoda, Bishop Swami.